This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Roane. Immaculate, beautiful, top of the line, 2006 Norris Mobile home on permanent foundation. Features: open floor plan, large master with walk-in closet, 2 porches with Trex decking, smart thermostat, 2 outbuildings, fenced garden area, 4-car detached carport, 2 fireplace. Located just 3 minutes from Roane Medical and shopping. Roof, 4 years. Small black refrigerator in kitchen island does not convey. Refrigerator in kitchen is negotiable. Also negotiable, lot next door, furniture, refrigerator, top of the line, West/D, 2-month-old 0-turn Craftsman lawn tractor. For more information, review the details below or contact Roy Wayne at 865-584-4000.